What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this cool product I picked up from Ruffstuff Specialties. This is a diff cover for the Dana 30 low pinion axle. As you can tell, she is beefy. Ruffstuff Specialties, in my opinion, is a very good source for American-made Jeep and other off-road products. As you can see, the quality of these welds is absolutely second to none. I went and painted this myself. It comes to bare metal, bare steel. Some guys powder coat them. I went and painted it just for sake of cost. But I'm super stoked to get this on the front of the Jeep. I already have their 1-ton steering kit, and I did an 8.8 swap on the back of the Jeep, and I used their cover on the back, and it came out awesome. Included with this kit is the steering stabilizer. It's a Bilstein, so I'm gonna get that all mounted up and show you guys how to do that. It's designed to work with their 1-ton kit, so I think it's gonna work out really well. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to get it all installed.
So the first step is gonna be popping off the old diff cover, which I already did, drained out the oil, and then take either a razor blade or a scraper and follow it with some kind of wire brush and get all the RTV and old gasket off the edges there. Alright guys, so I got the cover installed. These are all 8mm 12-point bolts. So you're going to go ahead and snug all them up. I went and had the steering stabilizer above the plane of the 1-ton steering kit that they have here. By the way, I highly recommend with the GM 1-ton tie rod ends, 1-ton drag link, and it's a complete Y steer kit. Very stout, everything's raceable. You know, I have all the confidence just beating on this in the rocks. This is 1.5-inch quarter wall DOM, and if you buy the kit that comes pre-welded and bent, it's very straightforward. You just ream out the knuckles and bolt everything up basically. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once you get the stabilizer on. Alright, so another important step of the installation, I've got the Bilstein shock here. By the way, these are 3/4 grade 8 bolts. Nothing but the highest of quality from Ruffstuff. You snip the little plastic band around the shock or the steering stabilizer and basically just let it go all the way out. And then you're going to mark the point in the middle, which in my case is going to be about 3.5 inches. And that's where you want your clamp to be, so you're not limiting your steering from side to side.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for this week. I'd highly recommend Ruffstuff Specialties products, made in America, hand welded. In my opinion, very quality stuff, lifetime warranty on definitely the diff covers and a lot of other materials they have, custom fabrication parts. Definitely go check them out. That's all we got for this week. Stay tuned for more videos.